Hi guys, I'm Cheri and I have a food blog called cookswellwithothers.com where I like to share recipes that I make for my family with all of you, and then I stop by every week and give you my meal plan for the week to hopefully take a little bit of stress off of you, because if you don't have to plan it and all you have to do is cook it and all the recipes are there for you, it might make your life a little bit easier. So this week we're going to do it a little bit different. I am going to share one recipe with you that you'll make earlier in the week, but guess what Thursday is? Thanksgiving, which I feel like is my favorite holiday because it's all about the food. So the other recipes that I'm going to share with you this week are going to be all of my favorite Thanksgiving recipes. So happy Thanksgiving everyone, and we'll get started. Alright, so the very first recipe that you're going to make earlier in the week are salsa ranch tacos. You make the chicken in the crock pot. I believe that one is only 3 ingredients, possibly 4, but that will make a larger amount so that you can have leftovers. The night before Thanksgiving, I always just order a pizza, just making my life a little bit easier. I never cook the day before Thanksgiving unless I am actually preparing some of the food. So for our turkey, the star of the show on Thanksgiving is a maple bourbon brined turkey. We do our turkeys in the smoker. You can make it in the oven if you prefer, but that maple bourbon brine makes the turkey extra delicious. A little bit of a different spin on the traditional green bean casserole. I have a green bean and mushroom casserole that uses fresh green beans, fresh mushrooms, and the topping on it is amazing. So we also have a maple bacon mashed sweet potatoes. It's kind of a little bit of a lighter twist on a traditional sweet potato casserole, and that one's pretty easy, and you can do that one the night before, which is always nice. I always have some Brussels sprouts for Thanksgiving. This candied Brussels sprout recipe is amazing. You can make that the day before, and that one also travels really well if you want to make that in the skillet and then put it in one of those foil pans and bring it to wherever you're going if you are not hosting Thanksgiving at your house. And then for dessert, everybody always likes pumpkin pie, of course, but I like to mix it up sometimes and make Fireball Whiskey Apple Spice Crumble. So you can find these and all the other recipes linked below, and also at cookswellwithothers.com. Happy Thanksgiving!